everybody, today I'll be showing you how to use shrink tube. It's a very simple process. You're gonna start by stripping your wires. And once your wire is stripped, you grab the right size for your wire. You always want to make sure there's a little bit of loose for when you twist your both ends together. Now, what you do is you cut a little bit longer than what you stripped from your wire. Then slide it on. You twist your two wires together. You slide your shrink tube over it. I like to grab a Bic lighter. You just heat it up, and then you're gonna see it shrink over the wire. It's gonna get tight. You want to make sure you heat it up all around, and then you successfully shrink tube your wires. If you guys have any question, please leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.